Not every aircraft needs a runway, a pilot's license, or a six-figure price tag. In this video, we're covering 5 ultralight aircraft, from the world's smallest twin-engine plane to a jet-powered flying motorcycle. First up is the Colomban Cri-Cri, the world's smallest twin-engine manned aircraft, designed in 1971 by French engineer Michel Colomban. It's an all-metal single-seat aircraft weighing as little as 138 pounds empty, with a gross weight of around 374 pounds. It runs on 2 single-cylinder piston engines, historically 15 horsepower each, and reaches speeds of 105 to 124 miles per hour, with some modified versions hitting 140. Range sits between 250 and 400 nautical miles. Next is the Volonaut Airbike, a modern VTOL vehicle built by a Polish inventor to function like a flying motorcycle. Instead of exposed propellers, it uses redundant jet turbines running on diesel, biodiesel, Jet A1, or kerosene. It weighs just 66 pounds empty and supports a max pilot weight of 209 pounds. Top speed is regulated to 63 miles per hour to stay within UAA ultralight limits, though it's capable of up to 124 miles per hour. Flight time tops out at 10 minutes. Third is the CGS Hawk Arrow II, a tandem 2-seat light aircraft sold in kit form for amateur builders. Its signature feature is a curved tail boom, which keeps the horizontal stabilizer out of the wing's downwall and allows for shorter landing gear. Empty weight ranges from 450 to 550 pounds, with a gross weight up to 1,100 pounds. It cruises between 55 and 80 miles per hour, climbs at 600 to 1,100 feet per minute, and typically runs a 50 to 80 horsepower engine. Fourth is the Kolb Firefly, an open cockpit, high-wing pusher configuration ultralight introduced in 1995. It was built specifically to meet FAA Part 103 ultralight weight limits while still climbing well. Empty weight is around 253 pounds, gross weight caps at 500 pounds, and it cruises at 60 miles per hour with a top speed of 70. It climbs at 1,000 feet per minute, powered by a 40 horsepower Rotax 447 two-stroke engine. Its wings fold down by a single person, making it easy to transport and store. Last is the Jordan Lake Airbike L S103, originally known as the Team Airbike. It's a true FAR Part 103 legal ultralight with an extremely narrow fuselage. The pilot's legs straddle the aircraft with rudder pedals positioned outside, similar to riding a motorcycle. Empty weight runs 251 to 257 pounds, with a gross weight up to 560 pounds. It cruises at 63 miles per hour with a range of about 173 miles. Powered by a lightweight engine like the 28 horsepower Rotax 277 or 40 horsepower Rotax 447. So those are 5 ultralight aircraft, ranging from a twin-engine mini-plane to a jet-powered airbike, all built around the same idea: simple, lightweight flying with minimal barriers to get in the air. Let me know in the comments which one you'd want to fly.